So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to rank higher in Google My Business. We're going to be looking at what's ranking for Grouper Sandwich Clearwater and dissecting why they're ranking number one. So there's a few different factors why Frenchies is overtaking everyone right here. The first obvious one is they have 7,000 reviews. If you look down here, these are all their Frenchies. They're a local chain. But besides that, 2,000 reviews, 2,000, 4,000, 3,000, 444. So you can just see they completely dominate the competition with reviews right here. Right? You go into their profile. It's all filled out right here. They have information about it, the address, hours, menu, phone number, events, setup, Q&As. So when you're setting your business up here, make sure you fill out everything as much as possible. And then down here, they have a lot of reviews again. The one thing they aren't doing, which I'd highly recommend, is respond to reviews. Again, they have 7,000, so it's kind of tough to manage all these and respond to every single one. But it's best to respond, no matter if they're good or bad reviews, just to show that you're active on here as well. Going back here, they have a lot of pictures of their food, the place itself, so you can kind of see that as well. You actually have a 3D view right here, which is really sick. So yeah, they have a lot of things built into it, which is good. And the last thing about it, which reason why they're ranking right here, which you can see, is proximity. They're located right on the beach in Clearwater, so it's what someone's looking for, right? It's not far away. It's directly on the main street and with the beach, so it's in the area. Now, some other things that can really help out with your Google My Business ranking also is building out citations for your business. So that's making sure things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and stuff like that are all set up properly. You know, making sure you have the correct NAP, name, address, phone number, emails, stuff like that. And yeah, and make sure you have things on your site for that. I would embed a map into your website. Make sure it has your location there. And then also build out a link that says, click here to check out our Google My Business information. And then just link this over here. But yeah, those are some of the different factors which you can help do that for your local business, and you'll rank higher. Going back to reviews though, if you guys are struggling to get reviews for your business, incentivize the user to go in there and leave a review, whether that's give them like a free dessert or appetizer, or 5 or 10% off of a service, or free gift card or anything like that. Figure out a way, because more reviews and then all the other smaller details, the higher you're going to rank on this. See you guys. That is it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. Make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and then check the description for some important links. Until next time.